Hello guys! So, decided na hindi muna siguro yung full marathon. So, yung half marathon muna yung So, this is my day 1, week 1 marathon training. Good luck! So, kaya medyo late na ako nag-registered. Kasi ang gusto ko talaga is yung full marathon. Pero, hindi na nagkakaya ng araw kasi by August na yung race day. So, yun, nag-register na ako for half marathon. Kaya good luck. Kasi kung nakulang tag training days ko kasi medyo nabisa ako this past few days. Kaya nakata ko masyado. Kahit itong half marathon training ko is sobrang kapos na kapos sa araw. Oh, si Lord. Hindi ko naman ka mamamatay. Let's go for the half marathon. And this will be my official half marathon. So, good luck. Good luck sa marathon training natin. Kulang sa araw. 1 kilometer done. 1 kilometer. Push. Ngayon pala, according to my training plan, isa lang for 6 kilometer. 2 kilometer done. Half marathon. Meaning, dapat half lang din yung training. The 3K done. Halfway there. 4K done. Push. $5K done, 1K more. Malapit-lapit na, push na natin. Malapit na. Peace mode na ako. Uulan na. Abot na pa ako ng ulan. 800 meters. Dali. Okay. 6 kilometer done. Tapos din. Okay, week 1, day 1, half marathon training. Done. Ulan na. Bye-bye!